Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock Tecno phone if forgot password. So here you can see enter password, and you can see how to unlock it if forgot password. So I have Tecno Spark Go 1 in my hand, as you can see. So in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock Tecno phone if forgot password. Okay, to unlock it, first power off your smartphone, tap to power off. Okay, now it is successful power off. Now press and hold the power button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And now press and hold the volume down key and release the power key, and keep pressing and holding the volume down key. And you can see it will send you, here you can see it will send you in Android recovery mode. Now volume key is to move up and down, and power button to confirm. Now here go to wipe data factory reset. Here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm, and you can see wipe all user data. Here you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Now go to factory data reset and confirm, and you can see data wipe complete. Now reboot system now. And guys, after hard reset it might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard reset might again ask for password. Use previously logged in Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to unlock the Tecno phone if forgot password. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and click on bell icon for the latest updates.